In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the correct Prime Video app on your Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you don't know which is the right Prime Video app to install, then go to Google Play Store on your Android smartphone, and once you are here, go ahead and tap on search apps here, or if you can see this search bar here, you can tap on search down here, and this will launch the search bar. From here, just type Prime Video. To search for it, tap on this search icon, and you can see we have Prime Video app here. So now you are downloading the correct app. The app should be from Amazon Mobile LLC, and this is the logo of the app. Currently, the app has a star rating of 4.3 with over 4 million reviews, and the file size of this app is averagely 58 MBs, and it has over 5 million downloads at the time of recording this video. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Prime Video app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can go ahead and launch it from here when you tap on open, or if you go now to your apps, now you should be able to see your Prime Video app. You can now go ahead and open it from here to start using it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.